en otro apartado del programa se ha hecho un cambio, así que a continuación el doctor Ravi Singh de la India nos va a hablar del tratamiento basado en evidencias de la enfermedad de Hirschsprung con homeopatía, estudios casuísticos observacionales. He's going to talk, Dr. Ravi Singh is going to talk about evidence-based treatment of Hirschsprung disease with homeopathy, observational case studies.
Thank you, Chair, for allowing me to present my work for the homeopathy. Today, I thank my audience to present. I am going to present my work before this August gathering, and my topic is very different. The disease condition is called as Hirschsprung disease, which is you will not see easily in your practice. Why? Because this is a surgical disorder. 3 years back, I got one case, and then after, I have many such cases which are getting not even better, but are cured by homeopathy. So, this is a disease called as Hirschsprung disease. In this particular disease, this is called as congenital megacolon. The last part of intestine is not getting developed, or you can say there is no nerve innervation, so there is no peristaltic motion in the last part of the intestine, and the child becomes constipated. So this is called as congenital megacolon. The only way to get rid of disease or only treatment available in the modern system of the medicine is surgical resection. It is performed in the 3-stage surgery, when the part of the intestine is cut and the other parts are getting pulled up. That is called as pull-through surgery procedure, and it is very painful condition, mentally and physically as well, for the child as well as to the parents, because the child has to pass the stool in the colostomy bag for 3 months, and again a third surgery is performed and the parts are getting joined. So this is called as Hirschsprung disease, and these are the real patients I have treated and cured. These are the different, you can see the abdominal girth, how the abdomen is getting distended, and few patients you are seeing that there are surgical scars present, the umbilicus inverted. So in such cases, what happened that the most of the patients are presenting with the distended abdomen, and the condition is very critical because the child passes the stool 7 or 8 days, or sometimes I have seen the patient which are passing stool once in a month. So this is a very difficult condition to treat and see in the clinic. So this is a model case. The first case, you can see, this was the case from the Basti, and the case was well diagnosed with the Hirschsprung disease, and histologically also there is a diagnosis called as rectal biopsy, in which the ganglion cells were absent in this particular case.
तो सभी डॉक्टर ने इनको एक सुबह से बोला कि सर्जरी करना होगा.
The surgery was advised to this child by all the treating surgeons. They said that the ganglion cannot develop without the surgery. So these are the case, and these are the rectal biopsy report, and there is even particular X-ray that is diagnostic of this procedure called as barium enema X-ray. The X-ray are taken from the different time by inserting the barium, and this is a diagnostic, well-diagnosed case of Hirschsprung disease. You can see histopathology suggestive of Hirschsprung disease, and this was a contrast enema where this was a distal large bowel appears badly dilated and contrast is reaching the splenic plexus. So this case was treated with opium, and you can see on the 17th of November the patient was getting better, and enema was given once in 10 days.
सर्जरी की तैयारी कर रहे थे, लेकिन जब बुधवार को जाने वाले थे 1 तारीख को
So this was follow-up, and after some time, about 6 to 7 months, I have ordered to perform another X-ray, and there is no evidence of structural luminal narrowing seen. Sometimes I take the follow-up of the patient after many months or even after the treatment, and you can see this is the latest follow-up before coming to this seminar. This is the latest follow-up, and child is grown up.
जी सर है
You can see this child is grown up and there is no complaint. This is a well diagnosed and cured case, not only symptomatically but also radiologically. This child got cured. And this was my first case in my life of seeing this Hirschsprung disease. I was not aware of this disease because this is not a very common disorder you are seeing in your clinical practice. So this was an X-ray. And you can see the red tail appearance, the barium enema X-ray. This was the first consultation where the child was with a distended abdomen, and he appeared at my clinic. You can see the distended abdomen and inverted umbilicus is the pathognomic of this particular disease. You can see, and I have treated this particular case. And this was also treated with opium. Obviously with the symptom not just on the therapeutic basis. And this was the repatriation chart. You can see inactivity of the rectum, which is the rubric I take in almost all the cases because that is very common. And this is the last X-ray of the same performed to the same diagnostic center. No significant abnormality detected. And the child is now grown up. You can see the different videos. And this is the latest video of 21st September. The child is dancing. This was the rainy season in our country. If you can see, this is a grown up child. And now he is dancing. This is another case, well diagnosed case of Hirschsprung disease. This is a case from the Kanpur. At the time of the birth, abdomen was grossly distended, gradually constipated, it became worse. Parents started using enema frequently. They consulted to me over the phone, and I have suggested for the barium enema X-ray, and that was diagnosed as a Hirschsprung disease. You can see the difficulty in the passing of the stool. The child was crying. The parents sent me the video of this particular case. Now, after the treatment, this case got treated with the anacardium. According to the symptom, obviously, if you can see the previous report, likely consistent of the spectrum of the Hirschsprung disease. This is the pathognomic barium enema X-ray, and anacardium was selected according to the symptom. You can see the last rubric, the cruelty, was the rubric, and he was getting treated with the homeopathy, and you can see using enema once in 10 days. In this particular video, actually video language is in the Hindi, so I am just skipping the videos because most of the people are and with the latest report, passing is told daily without any trouble, and from the same pathological center, no suggestion of Hirschsprung disease. If you can see there, no suggestion of Hirschsprung disease. The child is absolutely normal, and this is the comparative report. If you can see in the first Hirschsprung disease and no suggestion of Hirschsprung disease from the same pathological center. I usually advise my patient to go to the same pathological center, and this is the latest report. The child is grown up and now no complaint at all. If one can understand Hindi. Sorry, I was not aware that I must go somewhere. Next time I will take care of that. Another case of Hirschsprung disease. Cases are presenting to me with the different stages. This child was presented to me after the surgery, but the surgery got failed and child was still constipated. So no ganglia cell, effluence C. This was the first consultation.
जी बताइए
On the 6th June, underwent surgery, but problem didn't resolve.
बच्चे का हर्सम डिजीज का ट्रीटमेंट हुआ था
अच्छा
जी 2 साल पहले उसकी कंप्लीट 3 स्टेज में सर्जरी हो चुकी है
3-stage surgery was performed, but didn't work for him.
उसको लास्ट
And this was the reportation chart. And in this particular case, lycopodium was selected. Obviously, regarding the 4th rubric, you can see dictatorial child. Child was dictatorial. So this is 8th September on 23. The child is doing well.
तो कैसे हैं सिवाय कैसे हैं अभी हिस्टोम डिजीज
वो तो है सर आपके सामने ठीक है
पेट जरा इनका दिखाइए मुझे ओके
You can see the scar over the abdomen. That surgical scar you can see. And now on the 7th June 23,
कैसे
he is doing excellent.
बढ़िया है सर ये
No constipation. Child is passing. He is also till date he is under my treatment. Now the next case, now model case number 5. Sometimes the patients are coming with the ultrasonographic diagnostic. Although this is not a confirmatory diagnosis, but sometimes it can be diagnosed with the ultrasound as well. So this was the case. The possibility of the Hirschsprung disease cannot be ruled out.
इंजेक्शन लगेगा हाँ इंजेक्शन नहीं लगेगा आप बिल्कुल डरिए नहीं हाँ
The child was not diagnosed with Hirschsprung
हिस्टोम
disease.
डिजीज की डायग्नोसिस हुई है
सब अल्ट्रासाउंड में इनको हर्स्टन आया है
And I have started the treatment with the phosphorus. Every case received different medicine. The phosphorus you can see in the reportation chart, sheep dung like stool, inactivity of the rectum, obstinate child.
हॉस्पिटल के लिए आए थे कैसे रहे हमारे ट्रीटमेंट के बाद ये
सब मेडिसिन तो जैसे मिराकल टाइप की थी
It was a miraculous. The miracle word was used by the mother.
जैसे पहले
Of the child.
ऑन एवरेज
He was passing stool daily. Prior to the treatment, every 3, 4, 5 days he was passing the stool. So this is the comparative report. No sonological abnormality detected in the first possibilities of Hirschsprung disease cannot be ruled out. So this is the comparative report, and to confirm this case as a cured, I have ordered for the diagnostic report that is called as barium anemia, and this also comes normal, and this is the last follow-up of the patient.
ठीक ठाक है बिल्कुल कोई किसी तरह का
ऐसा होता है कि
Sometimes I am getting the patient of Hirschsprung disease in the adult. This patient got operated in the childhood, and this patient was passing his stool once in a month. Can you see?
सर्जरी आपका अच्छा हिस्टोम की सर्जरी भी हो चुकी है तो ये डेवलप नहीं हुआ अभी आपको एक महीने पे स्टोर होता
1 month.
बहुत स्थिति नाजुक है आपके सामने
And I have started his treatment, and this was the reports, and nitramur, sorry, the CPA was selected, not the nitramur. On the second, you are seeing the green. CPA was prescribed, and this person got cured. So I am skipping the slide because I have certain limit of the time. Another case, Hirschsprung disease. 29th March, this child was diagnosed. पहली बार कब हुई थी कब से है बीमारी?
सर वो जन्मजात से
जन्मजात means it's since birth.
ये बीमारी है
The patient was diagnosed since birth,
तो सर 5
and this was the report. If you can see Hirschsprung disease. This child was advised for the surgery, but out of the fear of the surgery, the parents did not opted for the surgery, and I have treated this particular case.
भैया कैसे हैं आप
अच्छे
बढ़िया
बढ़िया
पेट साफ हो रहा है
डेली 2 बार हो रहा है
2 बार
2 times in a day. He was passing stool 3 or 4 on the 3rd or 4th day. Now he is passing stool 2 times in a day, and this is the latest report I have sent him to the same pathological center, where they said that Hirschsprung is still present, but the filling defect is not there. Filling defect in the enema is not there. This is the comparative report, and this is also one of the my last case of this Hirschsprung disease, well diagnosed case, and the child was passing stool with eyes. The 10th of September. जय, कैसे हैं आप?
अभी बढ़िया है सर।
बढ़िया, पेट साफ हो रहा है डेली? क्या बोल रहे हैं? He is passing stool daily. Prior to the treatment, he was constipated. So, the study of repeat cases from mild to severe category was conducted at my clinic. Most patients came to the proper radiological diagnosis, some with symptomatic and few with the clinical diagnosis. We also included cases that underwent surgery but didn't improve. All the cases were followed with the homeopathic case taking analysis.